Hello everyone. Welcome back to our computer science class. In the previous video, we learned about web concepts such as communication through online and what is email. In today's lesson, we will learn three more important web concepts: social networking, instant messaging, and chatting. So, let's get started. First, let us understand social networking. Social networking means connecting with people through the internet. It allows us to stay in touch with family and friends, make new friends, and share our thoughts, photos, videos, and ideas. Every user creates a profile and connects with others online. Some popular social networking platforms are Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and Threads. These platforms help people communicate, share updates, and build communities with similar interests. Now, let us learn about instant messaging. Instant messaging means sending and receiving messages instantly through the internet. Along with text messages, we can also send photos, videos, voice messages, documents, emojis. Chatting means having a real-time conversation with another person over the internet. We can chat by typing messages, making voice calls, or using video calls. Popular applications for chatting include WhatsApp, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Discord. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will continue learning more exciting computer concepts. Have a great day.